Hey guys! Man, has it been a wild last few weeks, and I have a lot to catch you up on, which is a part of what we are doing right now. So as you can tell by the title, this is an empty apartment tour. And I bet you're wondering, so you moved and why? And my cat's about to mess with the camera. Wicca. So where do I begin? If you watched last couple of weeks videos, or if you've really been like paying attention to my social media and stuff, if you watched last week's videos, I went to Mexico last week on vacation. B, I'm a little bit more inactive. Sorry, my cat, she's being a little wild. I've been a little bit more inactive than I typically am. And like that could be a whole other video within itself of why I'm usually very inactive on Instagram. But for today, we will just stick to the reasoning. And that is because I got back from Mexico on Saturday the 6th of April and moved out of my house on the 9th of April, so Tuesday. And I am no longer in a relationship. And that again is a whole other video within itself, but I thought that I would do an empty apartment tour for you guys, and then of course I'm going to do a fully decorated apartment tour once I finally get there. You can clearly see into my living room and that I don't have a couch, and that is definitely on the agenda, and hopefully by the time that this video goes up I will have purchased one because I need a couch. But I am super excited. I absolutely love this apartment. When I saw it, there was another apartment that I was interested in, so I ended up going and seeing that one immediately when I actually had an appointment for the next day to go see it, because I was like, okay, it's either this one or this one, and I knew that this place had already been looked at 3 times that day. I think I was the 3rd person, and that was the only one that they were going to have available until May, and I was definitely looking to move sooner than mid-May or end of May even. I can't remember really when they said it was available. So I ended up going and seeing that other place, and it just did not compare to this place. And I just love it. I am filming with natural lights, so you will be able to see all of the light that I have, and it's just so bright and airy. Sorry if it's a little echoey right now, because I don't really have much to make that not happen. I was able to unpack. The day I'm filming this is Friday. I was all unpacked by Thursday because I cannot stand clutter, and that's gonna happen a lot. Because I mean, parking lot is right outside my window, and also there's like a road right outside the window. I can barely hear it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but I mean, that car was just like a couple feet away. Anyways, this is not supposed to be a long video. This is supposed to be like short and sweet. Regardless, at the end of the day, all of the sunlight is like one thing that was just very, very crucial to me in looking for a place. Not only did I want my background and like just my videos to be nice and bright and airy, but just natural sunlight makes me so happy, and that was lacking in the place that I lived in before. And I think it definitely honestly like plays a way to my mood and just like my demeanor. Just natural sunlight is just is my shit. Anyways, I think I'm going to create a video, or at least like a blog post, on just my whole experience of apartment hunting. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Regardless if you're excited for this video, make sure that you do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, to look forward, so you can look forward to, I don't know, so you could see more videos about, decorating and just like my new journey and path that I'm about to embark on. It's just life, and I'm okay, like I said already. Anyways, With that being said, I did film this on the day that I moved in on my phone, so I'm sorry if the quality is not going to be near as good as it could be, but the movers were on their way with all my stuff and I wanted it to be a true empty apartment tour, so I do apologize, but regardless, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. So here we have the typical opening the door to open you in, but this is my entrance. Nice little walkway, and then right here is just a really nice sized closet. You're gonna notice that all of these doors are white, obviously, but oversized, so they're nice and big. After there, you turn to your right and you have the laundry room, which will connect to the bathroom, but we'll get to that. And so the washer and dryer are included. Here's this cute little nook that I'm just obsessed with for some reason. And then you walk into the living room, which has this really thick crown molding. It's not throughout, but it does add a nice little touch. The ceilings are 9 feet, which I can barely reach anything. Not barely, I can't. But this is just a really nice size space with oversized windows. Lots and lots of natural light, like I said, which I love. Here's the kitchen with a ton of cabinet space and a little island. It's just a really nice sized kitchen that you don't typically see in apartments without paying an arm and a leg. It has these little lights that I wish were a different color, but I'll deal with them. I think I can sacrifice that. I love the dark wood. I love the wood flooring. It's just such a nice sized kitchen. I absolutely love it. But again, here's a nice little overview of the living room, and you know, once you get stuff in it, it does kind of, you know, make it smaller, but it's still really cute and livable. Here is the dining room, which is typical standard in these, you know, little apartments. I have a nice little patio off of the quote-unquote dining room as well. Really cute, really probably not going to get used that much. And then this is the bedroom, which is a huge size. I'm going to take you into that closet in a minute. You're going to see how big it is. It has 4 oversized windows. It has, you know, baseboards at the bottom that are just super, super pretty. And it's just so spacious. And I really do love this carpet because it's bright and it's really comfortable, which is weird to say, but it is. Here's the ginormous walk-in closet. Oh my gosh. And it has these little shelves, which I thought were going to be for shoes. I ended up using them for storage. But it's just such a nice thought out closet. You can put dresses there and I really, really love it. It's already super full. You walk into there and here is the bathroom. We're going to walk over to the other side real quick to turn on the light. But you know, pretty standard. It has, you know, a vanity with a mounted mirror, which is really nice. Typically it's just like an unframed mirror, toilet, and nothing much. Nice little cabinetry that matches the kitchen. Here is a spacious walk-in shower, which, you know, I will miss having a bathtub, but this is just so big and nice. I really, really love it. And then you walk back into the laundry room and there's the front entrance and the living room again. And that is the apartment. And these wood floors are not real wood, but still cute. That is everything for this video. I am super, super excited to decorate and really just put my own touch on it and take you along for the journey, not only with my new apartment, but just with my new life. So with that being said, again, please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up so I know that you enjoy these videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. In case you're wondering, this is my shirt. I think we're focused, I don't know. It was a really long oversized shirt and I cropped it very poorly, but I absolutely love it. Okay, bye.